In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a Kubernetes secret by using Kustomize. For that matter, I'm going to create a couple of simple files in text format to store my username and password. Let me create them. So as you can see with this echo command, I am redirecting this admin text to this username.txt, and then similarly, I'm storing a random password into password.txt. Once that's done, let's create a customization.yaml file to contain our secret generator. For that, let's create a customization.yaml, and then using vi editor, I'm pasting this secret generator here. As you can see, secret generator, I'm just using db user password, and let me just correct this YAML formatting a bit because sometimes it has to be in this format. And this should be parallel to this file, otherwise it won't be a good formatted YAML. I think this looks good. Once that's done, let's save it by :wq. Okay, let's quickly see how does it look like. It looks good to me. Once customization file is ready, use kubectl apply -k dot, which means in the current directory. Okay, so it says the mapping values are not used here. So it means that the YAML file is not well formatted. Let me go back to the YAML file and see where exactly. Okay, as you can see, this has to be in parallel to the secret generator, and then name the file should be here. And then again, this should be in parallel to this. Hopefully, this should be good. Now, again, save it and try to run that command again. This time it looks good. And as you can see, it has generated this secret. We can also check this secret by doing kubectl get secret. That looks good. So this is how you generate a Kubernetes secret by using Kustomize. Now, once you are done, if you want to clean it up, all you need to do is to kubectl delete secret and then secret name, which is bit cryptic. So we deleted it and it's all good now. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments or feedback, please put it down